Hi, this is Paul with Home Standard Inspections, and this is what I found today. I'm inspecting an attic on an 86-year-old home in Bellevue, and as my inspection progresses, I do find knob and tube wiring in the attic. This is 100-year-old wiring or 86-year-old wiring. When I follow it over in some spots, I do find an area that the knob and tube wiring has been spliced into new Romex wire. This should only be done by an electrician, so he makes the right connections. In the back further, I find another wire that's been spliced with tape wrapped around it. This is not safe. This should be put in a junction box, so it's protected by the box itself. In other areas, I find a piece of wire that is got its sheathing kind of peeled back. That's a safety issue. And then in this direction, a couple more safety issues here. I got a bathroom fan that has the wires that are not put in a junction box. Every spliced wire should be in a junction box. And then over to the left of that, I have a junction box, but it does not have a cover on it, so we have spliced wire that is showing. One of the other things I found in the attic today is we have a mainline plumbing drain and vent pipe where the vent is just terminated in the attic. This should be vented to the exterior. That's all I have for you today. Bye.